a bit trickier than a standard PowerPoint.
Oh. Almost broke it. As you can see, I definitely haven't screwed it in yet.
See? Not much mess. Check that out. Phone charging for days. A little bit further along with the kitchen project. Just getting ready to throw some PowerPoints in above the bench tops. So I have put the coffee machine and microwave in, but I don't have any PowerPoints there. So I'm just gonna put a couple of classic PowerPoints on. I've got a Iconic with USB that I will be actually using in the kitchen, just to be able to have the ability to charge phones and bits and pieces without the adapter. It's just got the USB outlet, USB-C and B, I guess it is. B and C. Someone probably can correct me on that. But A and C. So I'm going to isolate some power, throw some PowerPoints in, getting super close in the kitchen. Basically all that's left to do is the infill panels. So the infill panel with the drawers and this side cupboard. So that has the soft close. Infill panel on the side of the overhead. Infill panel over this side. Haven't done kickers. There's two more cupboards. The sink cupboard for the farmhouse sink. So I actually have to cut out a piece and do a template so it goes around the sink. And I have to double check the level on the pull-out bin before I screw it into the wall. Oh. Almost broke it. As you can see, I definitely haven't screwed it in yet. And the end panel that's just next to the dishwasher. Super duper close. Getting close to Christmas, so I doubt we're gonna see bench tops this side of the new year. This is the actual finish of the cupboards without the plastic protector on. So yeah, it has that real matte, anti-stain, super sort of modern look. Getting there. I'll throw these PowerPoints in. Alrighty. Just isolated the power. This particular one has the USB cable. I'll probably do a USB cable on that one there. That one there. It's probably the most convenient, I think. I don't want to do them all. Yeah, let's get some tools. What we're going to need is a PH2. So I like using my side cutters. Where's my pliers at? Pliers. And just in case, some of the old Iconic have the square drive. Sometimes they don't. Maybe the PH1 as well, just in case. Yeah, I really love the Weir tool set. I've had this for around 3 years, I think, and it's been I couldn't actually live without it. It's been a great tool case. I guess there's several different ways to, I guess, strip these cables back. I like to just do a little mark the insulation and just tear it off so it tears off smoothly. insulation on them, just so once I've chopped it off, I'm not going to make much mess. It's a bit of a tip. You really want to make sure these conductors, the insulation where you've stripped it back is equal either side. See, not much mess. They're a bit trickier than a standard PowerPoint. Obviously that big transformer block at the top there takes up a fair bit of room. Alrighty, they're all tight. Give you a bit of a closer look. Screw it back. What I might do is just trim the insulation that's around just to give that transformer a bit more room. You see, clear that out a touch more. Levelized. These little tabs just click in. Done. Check that out. Phone charging for days. Now just fit these off, and another one in behind the microwave. I don't think you can actually see that in there. Yeah, you can see the cable put through. And yeah, get it done. Finally got some power back on. Time for an espresso. We'll mount these remaining two cupboards, and then I reckon I might do some tidy up of the dining and lounge room. There's just junk everywhere, heaps of dust from all the cutting and stuff I've done on gyprock. I cut a couple of timbers inside, which has created a lot of dust. So yeah, I think it needs a real good clean up before I get into finishing all of those other bits and pieces. Stop for a coffee, get back into it.